na may diskarte. O sa pag-ibig ang pag-uusapan, minsan naman ay sa kayamanan. Ikanila, higit-higit gawing motibasyon. Kahit na pilit, pag di mo kaya yumuko na lang. At biglang mapapasabi ka na lang na sana kung laging puno ng saya. Sana kung hindi naiiyak. Sana kung
With your host, Artist Matt, reminding you of my mantra, walk, leave a mark, and make a difference.
I am your co-host, Zillable, reminding you to always take a chance and make a choice or your life will never change.
Sabay-sabay tayo Sana All!
Sana kung laging puno ng saya. Sana kung hindi naiiyak. Sana kung pangarap ay mataas. Sana kung matagumpay ang landas. Sana all. Oh my gosh.
Hi Sana Allers, it is with a heavy heart to deliver this news to you. We recorded this episode with the full 2 hours of the show. However, there was an internet interruption during the saving of the recording. It didn't process properly and it didn't save properly, which only saved about 10 minutes of the video, and it was only at the very end of the show. So, we do apologize that we will only be able to provide you this 10-minute video of episode 3 due to the storm during that day. So hopefully you guys understand, and if you have any questions for Miss Marian, please do reach out to her on her Kumu account. Again, we do apologize with the short episode this time. Thank you.
Alam mo, wherein talagang expose yung age mo, tapos yun nga, yung pwedeng motto mo or something or mantra mo na, age is just a number or what.
Yeah,
pero what's in your mind na kaya yan yung nilagay mo?
Kasi, kaya ko ito linagay, no? Kasi, when Kumu was just being planned by Roland, alam na namin, isip ko na, if I was going to join Kumu, I have to be natural. It has to be my real age. Kasi, ang target ko, since I was a gym addict, to introduce fitness here. My purpose was just to do fitness in Kumu. I was just doing it to support me. At that time, I was already a gym addict kasi I really love to eat. Yun yun ang purpose ko ba't ako nag-gym. Kasi at that time, even at 50, I was still featured in magazines. they will be still calling me to join mga gala fashion shows. Sayang naman, di ba? Yung iba sa amin kasi mga probinsyana, they had to be trained there. Pero somebody like me, sa Malacanang ako pinadadala sa mga parties. Ang hirap nung gano'n, no? We would mingle for a while, ganyan, tapos paiinumin ka. I don't drink, I don't smoke, no? So, yung hanggang 7 years old is importante. Importante yung, you do not only talk, no? You don't only preach, but you practice what you preach. You live it, no? So, when they see, maybe they see, that's how I am, nakuha nila. Kasi, imagine, I did not introduce them, parents down there, kung may anak kayo as early hanggang 7 years old, yan yung years na napaka-importante, no? Na it's part of building confidence. When you feel the love, you follow, you know what is right, you fight for what is right, you speak up because it's right.
Don't forget to follow everyone, Nudge.
Yeah.
And of course, may speaking of yung o nga, sasabihin ko pa naman, LTJ, pakibasa yung comment ni Geek Chick. O nga pala, hindi mo nababasa. May comment kanina dito si Geek Chick pero nag-jump na naman yung message ko. Pero eto.
Rhinosaurs and Manalanya style. And also, Wednesday, bawal killjoy, dapat chuk-chuk-chuk with this KC 1829, 8:30 p.m. So far, yun lang muna. For yung mornings, Miss Marian, let me know.
Sana all lagi Hinihintay, joke lang.
Kaya
So, maghintay pa kayo. Oo, magkumu ka. So, yun. Let's do our, tawag dito, let's do our outro na. Love the juice. Let's go.
Hi, thank you so much for real purpose of life. This is Love the Juice. Truly, walang halong eklavi.
Walang
Yes. Tita Marian.
Tita Marian.
Ako naman, no, I would say, like you guys, you are streamers. Definitely, you have confidence. You cannot be a streamer if you don't have the confidence. Ayan.
Anong oras
But
yan, Tita Marian?
8 o'clock. But before
8
I
o'clock.
do my Zumba, yung mga gusto magsimba, I'm doing it at 6:30 in the morning. So, nagmamas
Okay.
muna kami.
O, diba?
And then Zumba tomorrow. Oo. And then,
Simba bago Zumba.
yes.
Yes.
Oo. And then, let me invite you na rin for Saturday kasi that's my time with community channel, no? Pero on Saturday, it's Tita Cheryl who's going to stream for me. And we discussed last Saturday yung Perfectly Yourself, no? It's about my advocacy, no? That's what best friends for, no?
Yeah.
I can't be there. I'll be in the hospital. I'm having my general checkup, no? But she will continue. And I'm really inviting everyone at Community Channel on Saturday.
Oy, community
At
channel.
7:30 in the morning, no? Siya muna ang
Philippine
mag-stream
times,
for
right?
me. Yes, Philippine
Sana,
time.
Si Tita Cheryl, very ano din yan, masipag din yan kapag sa stream. Dati nasa community stage siya. Nung community stage pa yung pangalan, tapos in-interview niya si JR. Tapos
Yes.
ang huling panood ko kay Tita Cheryl nung solo niya, umiiyak siya. Naluluwa siya kasi yung about sa sa pinsan niya, no?
Ayan,
Di ba
parang
Tita
gusto
Cheryl, nanonood ako
Gusto ni Tita Cheryl, i-promote ko. One after that, I'm going to have also in community channel na 7:30 yung Muay Thai with
Muay Thai
Sherwin.
naman.
Oo, Muay Thai. And then, ang next naman, yung mga exercises for the PWDs while you're seated. No? Ang daming ways mag-exercise. Even in my stream, yung nagsusumba, meron akong isang PWD na umuupo doon, si Gloria, na while we're doing Zumba, I always tell her, you can do it while sitting down.
Alam mo, next time naman gawin mo para naman maka-join naman kaming mga nagigising lang sa ganong oras o kaya naman mapilitang magising para manood sa'yo.
Sa
Gawin mo
gabi.
naman yung exercise while nakahiga.
Exercise.
Meron exercises yung pagkagising na nakahiga. Meron. Meron
Wala.
talaga.
Ala, hinanapan ako ni Tita Cheryl ng
Sabi
Philippine
ni Tita
Eagle.
Cheryl, pero hindi daw niya ikaw nakita nag-drop ng Philippine Eagle.
Wala pa akong Tita Cheryl. Wala pa akong gano'n.
Wala ba kami sa
ganito ang
kalingkingan?
tanong. Ganito, Tita Cheryl, ano ba yung itsura nun?
Oo nga, ano Uy, tapos hindi may sinabi pa sila. Ang dami na daw klase ng ibon eh. 'Di ba meron tayong Philippine
Adarna.
Eagle, ibong Adarna, tapos yung sari manok. Tapos meron pa daw isang alam ko ibon 'yun, pero tingnan natin kung ibon nga siya. Yung bakunawa, ibon ba 'yun?
Tingnan nga natin, pakidrop po.
Yan yung tanga-tangahan. Ibon ba 'yun?
Sabi ko, Tita Cheryl left the stream. She's back to bed, sleeping.
Sleeping.
Sorry. Sabi ni Cheryl, pinuntahan ko lang naman si BFF on confidence. Ano nangyari? Galing na, with confidence naman budol, only
Sa akin
with
nga
BFF.
yun.
Only with BFF.
Oh, ganun talaga pag sanay na. Pero kanino talaga yung elevator na yun?
Oo nga.
Kanino pa yan, ha? Kanino talaga yung
Sa
elevator?
I think it's parang notice sa door. I don't know. Or sa
Artist Matt, did you get the book? Ay, ayun nga, Tita Cheryl. Kasi nga, nung finalo up sa akin ni Kuya Dondon, sabi niya, na-receive mo na ba? Sabi ko, ha? Napadala na ba? Tapos yun, nagtatanong ako dito, wala naman daw. Siguro, ang suspecha ko, Tita Cheryl, baka nung time na dumating sa di ba dumadating pa yan sa post office? Di ba nasunog yung post office?
Ay.
Dumaan ba dun? Dumaan ba sa post office yung
Kasi yung
grab nila yan eh.
ginagrab ba?
Grab lang,
Grab.
hindi
Wala-
by
wala.
mail, hindi
Galing
by-
galing ibang bansa, ginagrab.
Oo, dito papadala ni Tita Cheryl tapos yung meron siyang hinihinga ng favor who will
Really?
grab. Oo, ididiretso na sa iyo 'yon.
Maynila po. Tama na may address binigay ko kay Kuya Dondon. Ewan ko ano nangyari. So akala ko all along baka nasama sa sunog sa ano. Kasi dati nung nagkaroon ako ng may in-endorse ako na iPhone case wallet, nang dumaan siya sa sa post office. So akala ko doon. No worries Art.
Oh,
Hindi
no
ko sure
worries,
Tita
mapadala
Cheryl
ulit.
bakit gano'n. Pero wala talaga kasi nakailang beses ako magtanong sa kanila.
Sa akin mo padala yung address mo, baka meron mali doon. No, I'll get the address again. Baka meron na mali.
Sige.
Send it to me.
Pero kung namali dapat bumalik.
Ang Grab, pag hindi na-deliver, di ba?
Kasi
Yes.
yung binigay ko na number, kung ano mismo sa may Lazada,
At
kinokopy ko lang
nakakatawa
yun eh.
Pag dineliver yun, pagka nandun na yung sa Grab, tatawagan ka by phone.
Wala talaga. Walang ano.
Oo, na it's near or hindi ka mahanap. Kasi they will not stop looking for you eh. Ganun ang Grab.
Buti naman sila. Bakit yung destiny ko
Diba?
hindi nag-stop na mag-look sa akin? Bakit gano'n?
Di, pero baka iniwan
Oh,
sa
LTJ.
someone na
LTJ is
kapitbahay
from
mo.
San Juan. Actually, isa lang talaga pinagdadrapan sa may baba kasi nasa third floor ako, 'di ba? So,
So
sila
dapat
tumatanggap
meron
ng
nga.
lahat. Wala talaga. Kasi nakailang tanong ako, may libro daw datating, meron ba dyan? Hulo daw.
The boy!
Baka
Hello, the
inarbor.
boy!
Hindi naman. Wala namang ganun dito.
Okay.
Pero anyway, Tita Cheryl, kung napadala nga tapos hindi bumalik, ay, sorry. Maraming salamat na rin. Baka malay natin, baka may nabago ang buhay dahil dun sa librong yun.
Ay, ba't talagang babago?
o baka naman may doppelganger ako.
O baka siya yung destiny mo.
Ay, hanapin ko, no? Perfectly for you. Okay, sige, Z, bago pa dumating yung hurricane dyan.
Ayan, guys. Again, reminding you to always take a chance and make a choice or your life will never change. We will see you guys next Sunday.
Okay, Tita Cheryl, makikipag-coordinate na lang ako kay Tita Marian. And of course, ano na naman yun? Ang susunod na palabas ay rated SPG. Bakit may ganun
Bakit
tunog?
naman? Hindi ko talaga alam.
Okay, and again, GGSS or Generations Saturday Generation Guesting Saturday Showdown every Saturday, and Sana All Confident episode 4 this Sunday naman. We will be interviewing Tin Vertusio, the ever confident na rakista. So, of course, we will be joined by featured host Manelenia Style. And of course, watch out for my other streams na every 10 p.m. naman talaga kasi nga, pero this week hindi ako nakapag-stream kasi nga final exams.
Hello,
So ngayon,
safe
magpapahinga
space.
na ako at magsi-stream ako habang nasa Iloilo because I'll be going home for about a week lang kasi nga, 'di ba, to be with my family kasi bakasyon, and at the same time kasi 40 days. 40th day ni Papa. So yun, again, this has been your host, Artist Matt, reminding you to always walk, leave a mark, and make a difference. As long as you can make a difference to other people, go on, do so. Katulad ng ginagawa ng ating mga tita, sila Tita Cheryl, sila Tita Marian. So let's go, let's do and make a difference. And of course, I would like to say stay safe and stay awesome to each one of you, especially si Z and yung mga nasa Amerika na babagyuhin ngayon sa mga araw na to. Pero kung kaya naman na ma-dissolve siya bago siya dumating or mag-landfall, pwede po.
Stay safe.
So again, stay safe and stay awesome. This has been your host, Artist Matt. And of course, I'm gonna end this live in 3, 2, and 1. Really, really appreciate all of you.